सो हे एवरीवन, आज की वीडियो में हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे चैट जीपीटी से जो कि कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस है। तो देखते हैं यार चैट जीपीटी इसका कैसे आंसर दे रहा होता है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चैट जीपीटी।
Hey there. How's it going? What can I do for you today?
Okay, so I'm asking you a question. First question is which one is better, Android or iOS?
Both Android and iOS have their own strengths. It really depends on what you're looking for. Android offers more customization options and a wider range of devices at different price points. iOS is known for its smooth user experience, security, and seamless integration with other Apple products. What do you prioritize in a phone?
Hey chat gpt, be brutally
Hey,
honest.
thing. Both Android and iOS have their pros and cons. Android gives you more flexibility and customization, plus a variety of devices at different prices. iOS offers a more consistent user experience, better security, and smooth integration with other Apple products. It really comes down to personal preference. What do you value most in a phone?
So my second question is AI going to replace software engineers in next decade?
AI is definitely changing the tech industry, but it's more likely to assist software engineers rather than replace them entirely. AI tools can handle repetitive tasks and help with coding, but human creativity, problem solving, and understanding of complex requirements are irreplaceable. So while AI will change the role of software engineers, it will also create new opportunities and ways to work.
So hey engineers, here we go. तो आपके पास यार आंसर मिल चुका होगा आपको कि AI इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिप्लेस सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स। बेसिकली ये और अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन करेगा। ओके, एंड हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी को ही इंक्रीज कर रहा होगा। ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन। हे चैट जीपीटी, टेल मी व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एवर एंड व्हाई?
There's no definitive worst programming language, as each language has its own strengths and is suited for different tasks. Some languages might be harder to work with due to complexity or lack of modern features, but they can still be powerful in the right context. Ultimately, the best language depends on the project and the goals you're trying to achieve.
Fourth question is which is more powerful, AI or quantum computing?
AI and quantum computing are both powerful in different ways. AI focuses on processing and analyzing large amounts of data to make predictions or decisions. Quantum computing, on the other hand, has the potential to solve certain complex problems much faster than classical computers by leveraging quantum bits. In summary, AI excels at tasks involving data and pattern recognition, while quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields that require immense computational power. Both have their own unique strengths.
So my fifth question is which is dominate the future, Linux, Windows or Mac OS?
Each operating system has its own strengths and dominates in different areas. Linux is popular in servers, supercomputers, and for tech enthusiasts due to its flexibility and open source nature. Windows is widely used in personal and business environments, especially for gaming and enterprise applications. Mac OS is known for its integration with other Apple products and is popular among creative professionals. In the future, all three will likely continue to coexist and serve different purposes. The choice will depend on the specific needs and preferences of users and industries.
So my next question is what's the funniest mistake AI has ever made?
AI has made some amusing mistakes over the years. One funny example is when image recognition AI misidentified objects in pictures. For instance, it once labeled a picture of a sheep as a striped horse because it struggled to recognize the animal's woolly texture. Another amusing mistake was when a translation AI hilariously misinterpreted phrases, leading to some comical and nonsensical translations. These examples show that while AI is powerful, it still has room for improvement and can sometimes be quite humorous.
Okay, so my last question is can you explain recursion without using recursion?
Imagine you have a set of nested boxes. To find the smallest item, you open the largest box, then the next largest, and so on until you reach the smallest one. Each time you open a box, you're essentially repeating the same process. In programming, recursion is like that process, where a function calls itself with a smaller or simpler version of the original problem until it reaches a basic case that can be solved directly. So, recursion is like solving a problem by breaking it down into smaller versions of itself.